Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks Mega. This is the navy blue version, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it out of its case. There we go. And we will be planning for the week of the 10th until the 16th. And this is last week, so we're going to do this week, and I'll be using the kit All You Need Option A. And this was created specifically for Valentine's. That's why I wanted to use it. And we will also be incorporating some pictures of BTS, Namjoon, and all the boys. So let's get started. First, I wanted to show you the kit. So if you're new to the shop, we do have a de-stash sale still up. There are only a few things left, and we just wanted to make sure that people who wanted to get them will still be able to go ahead and get them, because we are probably going to come out with new stuff very soon, but I just don't know when that will be. So currently the format that I used here is the one that's not the last one, not the very latest one, I believe. So we have your date cover, your decorative strip, an entire strip of checklists, 3 headers, some dots over there, and some deco. And then we also have the second page. It's a smaller one, and you get teardrops, a double box for the right side of the page, and the bottom bar for the left side of the page. So we have also some script stickers at the bottom. The last time I filmed was only a week ago, but I feel like I'm out of it today. Maybe because it had been raining pretty badly. It's pretty intense, actually. So the paper I'm using is matte. We do have the glossy option for some of the kits that are still in stock. So I just put down the date cover, and I'm also going to put down the bottom bar for the left side of the page. There you go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put down, put down the checklist right up against the date covers, or date cover, singular. Just be very careful. And there you go. Ta-da! So now let's take a look at what we have. I'm gonna go ahead and put down this strip up the top. I did not pull my ruler, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So I'm filming this on a Sunday, and yesterday I found out, no, not yesterday, the day before that, I found out that IZ*ONE is coming back. Their comeback is scheduled for the 17th, and I'm very excited about that. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this over because I want this purple one to show. There you go. So we've been very good with our YouTube videos lately because my husband Javier has been editing it for me instead of me doing everything like I did before, and that is why you are getting a lot of videos, and we are very happy about that. This is a little crooked, but I'm not gonna pull it up anymore. I'm a little afraid that it'll just ruin the page, because that's what happens with Tomoe River paper. Just be aware of that, but I still love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the double bottom bar, I guess. I don't often call it double box, so I don't really know why I'm calling it that now. And there you go. So you can stop there, but I'm gonna go ahead and add a few things here and there. First, I wanted to add this, but it might be too much. I also wanted to add this, but it's also a little bit big. And this photo. I think I like this one. I can cut it. Let me see here. Ooh. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this a little bit and maybe put it even at the left side of the page. I've been mumbling a lot. My voice is also a little hoarse today because I've been practicing a song. Well, it's not really a song, it's more of a rap. And I wanted to just make sure that my weekend is good for that. 13, 14, okay. So this is Valentine's Day, and I wanted to put Namjoon over here. Oh, actually, I can put him over here. So he's center. So that's good. That's good. Can put this up here. Can also cut it just a tiny bit. And a little bit up top. I don't think I can cut it on the side though. So I wanted to make or print pictures of different formats. And then I realized that I really like them when they're close up instead of like this. Because then like this one, you can see it from afar. Does that make sense? So I'm gonna put that over there. And then I'm gonna put one more photo. So I have this, and I also have this. This is a much older photo, I think. And maybe I can put it here. Or even here. No, I like that planner. Here at the bottom. What do you guys think? Thinking. This is the hardest part of all. Okay, I'm gonna trim it a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna cut around Namjoon. Oh, also, if you don't know, so this is BTS. They're a very big K-pop band. And they're going on tour, actually, pretty soon. And congratulations to everyone who got tickets. Because it's on, like, a raffle. Does that look okay? That looks a little awkward, don't you think? Actually, no, that stays up there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put Namjoon down here. Yes. Okay, that's perfect. Now let's go ahead and put this away. Take this glue stick. I still haven't gotten around to getting a glue tape, so that's what happens. Good thing I have this glue stick. 14. Okay. How did you? Perfect. I'm gonna take the square one. Or rectangle one. And then lastly, let's take the last Namjoon photo. There we go. Alright, so that is done. I'm gonna save the other photos for something else. Now let's go ahead and decorate our page some more with our decos. Oops. So I have a planner. I'm gonna go ahead and put down here because that is filming day and planning day. I'm gonna take a gift, put it on Wednesday because that's when, so February 14 is one of my friend's birthdays. It's my best friend's birthday. Very, very exciting. I'm gonna put a header down here. Valentine's. And friend's birthday. And Wednesday is the day I will be getting her her gift. I'm not gonna deepen any lines this time. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put this up here. And Tuesday I have a meeting. So I'm gonna put it down up here. Oh, no, here. Oh, let's try it this way. Yes. Oh, a little crooked, don't you think? Let's fix that. Hopefully on Wednesday I'll be able to pick up the glue tape and some tweezers. Monday is also very important. I have a deadline. And what else? Yeah, I think. So this is Valentine's weekend. Alright, that's good. So let's go back to our deco. We can take all the hearts. Give Namjoon a little heart. Give him a silver heart over here. Give this one a heart also. The group photo. There we go. And then I have dots, which I will play with in a little bit. Change my mind. I'm gonna take goals, put it over here. I have notes, but hang on. I'll do today first as well as to do. Today and to do. I'm gonna take the weekend banner, put it over here, and then put track and notes. Track, notes. So this is just going to be an open space for all the things. Oh, then I have dots. So I'm gonna use it as decoration instead of it being functional. Oh no. Alright, so a few more dots here and there just to spruce up this spread. This is completely optional. You don't have to do this, but I really, really wanted to. Here we go. And we are almost done. I'm just going to put this down on notes. So I'm going to, okay. Oops, some important information maybe over here. I'm mumbling so much, I am so sorry. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, I forgot completely. The 16th is Hobi's birthday. Oh, no, yeah, no. I have sinned. Here, there we go. Yeah, you go over here. No, let's put you over here. I have sinned so badly because I did not put down Hosok's birthday, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull a birthday sticker, emoji sticker. And I pulled this Miss Caramel sheet of these really cute little stickers because they completely match the color scheme. No, they don't. Okay, first I'm going to put this down over here. Valentine's Day and okay. And then I'm going to take this. No, hang on. I've also pulled this sticker from my collection, Glam Planner. And we're going to put down this little unicorn. So basically the Sunday is just going to say Hosok's birthday. Because that's what is needed in the world and in my life for Sunday to just say Hosok's birthday. I'm also going to put down this laptop sticker from Miss Caramel. Because I have a deadline on that day. And that's what that means. That's okay. Oops, sorry. Alright. Do I have anything else I want to put down? Ooh. Here's something to look forward to. So I'm gonna take this TV sticker and put it over here on the 12th because that is the day that To All the Boys 2 is showing on Netflix. So that is very exciting. I am very excited. Lastly, I am going to take this little coffee cup and put it over here because I have a meeting. So I've just layered a few things over there. And that is our spread done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my pens. So this is what I'm currently using. My Signo ballpoint, my Kaweco Sport fountain pen, this Papermate Flare, just in case, and this Tombow. So I'm gonna go ahead and write down the numbers and everything else. Well, most of what I need to write down, and I'm just going to fast forward through all of it and come back. Alright, and I'm back. So this is what we have. I just wrote down the things that I said about that's happening this week. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video while I scoot you on over. So thank you so much for watching this video. So this is the plan with me for this week for Valentine's Week 2020. And this is a really pretty spread. I love the color scheme. The color scheme is something that's right up my alley. That is exactly what I like. I have a little artwork. I have pictures of the boys and of my bias. I wish that I put Hobi's photo on here. See, that's why I pulled some. And then I forgot why I did it. And then I put it back in my stash. And Now I remember why I did it. But I'll give Hobi his own little page at the back of the planner that I have been using for journaling as well, and my planner and my actual journal. It's gonna be Hobi all over the place because I did prepare for his birthday, though it doesn't seem like I did. So anyhow, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!